Hey guys, Tony here, and I'm on a call with Alex Krulik, who has built a tool called SEO Pilot. Now, as you know, I've been doing SEO tools for a long time, and I've seen Alex over the years do some really, really good tools. And he's back again with this one, and I think it's one of a really outstanding SEO tool. And because one click and it solves a lot of SEO problems for your websites. Okay, so welcome, Alex, and nice to see you back on the product launch scene again. I haven't seen you for a while.
Really nice to see you too. And so let's start with demo.
Okay, so we're going to do a quick demo, guys, and then I'll ask some questions at the end. Okay, so I'm going to take notes what Alex.
If you have question you like to get answers now, I will also.
Yeah, let's do the demo first, Alex, and I'll write down some questions as you're going along, because
perfect.
When I'm watching the demo, I'll probably have the same questions as what the audience will have as well.
Okay, so actually SEO Pilot, it is audit software that finds different kind of issues on your site. So we are focused on the technical, both on technical issues on the site and also on the AI visibility issues also. So basically, to get started to work with software, you have to add your site here. So you provide basic settings of the site, country, languages, etc. Some global settings about business. This data is used to create correct schema for your site, for your pages. And here we also define AI settings because we use AI to optimize content, etc. So how it will look. And next we set crawler settings. So here we define to make changes correct and the software understand correctly the content of software. We define the main content, so where we don't change any footers, headers, menus, etc. So this helps software to define main content and do proper optimization. If you, for users who don't know how to define, AI will help here just to define automatically.
Okay.
Here is very important part. We define which kind of errors we during crawling of the site process we automatically fix. So this is all done behind the scene. So you just do these settings and all the will be done automatically, and all these fixes will send to your site. So you even
all of that is done in one click, yeah?
Actually, you just once do these settings, and later software, when it will analyze the site, so it will apply all these changes automatically and send to the site.
Nice.
So for example, if it finds duplicate H1 tag, so it will just rename second H1 to H2. That's all. And other we have description actually what each change does. And we have integrations. So we have integration with Google Console. So it gets all the data from Google Console. Later I will show you. We have own WordPress plugin which installs on the you install on the WordPress site. And software communicates with WordPress and sends all changes directly to WordPress. For other kind of sites, so we have JavaScript snippet, so you have to put it into your header of your site, like you put Google Pixel or so. And it will communicate, and during page rendering, it will apply all the changes. So basically, you don't need to edit your pages with changes needed. So software script will get all the information from our backend and apply during page rendering to the actual page. So when you connect it to Google Console, so we get all the data, and we not just get pure data, we compare two periods. So if, for example, if you select March month, so it compares with February. So, and here this really cool that you can compare how your site really performs, if it performs good, or I especially selected this period to see you that you see we are dropping, and we clearly see this data, because it's the actual site we are working now. And here we can see that our clicks are dropping, impression, everything is dropping. Here is the chart that shows everything with details, so you can show just clicks by dates. You see here we have significant drop in the clicks, but this is I know what happens. This is period when the site was redeveloped and was under reconstruction, so you see no clicks at all. So we can see separately or together different metrics here. Also, it defines general health of the site. So it shows we have our own calculation for the website health. So different kind of errors have different kind of influence on the general score of the site. So, and this is a total calculation. And we see that we still have 1,000 of the issues on this site, and 179 critical errors, some warnings and some noticed. And you see the site is in the progress, and 635 issues is solved already. Also, here we can observe geographical performance, on which countries we have getting most views, clicks, etc. And total keyword distribution, how we are ranking. So we have in top three keywords, and etc. And from here we can jump directly to the reporting system. Performance tab shows the data in terms of keywords and pages. So we can see here more detailed keyword distribution, some summary of the metrics we showed previously, and chart again. But here we can filter our data depending what we would like to see. For example, I can click, for example, this main page, and it will change view to show just data for this page.
Okay. I just noticed if you scroll down just a little bit, you see this guy's where it's got the Google Search Console and positions. There's a really easy strategy that we can use. If you've got like positions 11 to 20, it's quite easy once you can see the keywords that Google is showing impressions for you to go into those pages and re-optimize them. I'll do a separate video on that as part of a bonus for this as well, because that is one of the biggest wins that you can do with SEO for this kind of stuff. And this tool is just basically handing it to you on a plate, and that you can see exactly what you need to do to be able to drive more traffic. Apart from just the fixes, it's actually doing a lot more, and there's a lot more I'm seeing that it can give you. Apart from just the error fixes, this is actually a really, really useful SEO tool for driving more traffic as well.
Yes, you're right, absolutely. And later when we selected a page, right, so we can even filter by queries, so keywords. So I can select keyword, and this data will show exactly data for this keyword, and later we can apply same filters for countries, devices, so we can clearly define performance of every page and every keyword here. And from directly from this screen, we can jump to analysis of keyword.
Nice and simple to use as well. And the setup is quite easy as well. They need to connect to WordPress sites, add the WordPress plugin that you give them, and the WordPress connection is just done via API key via the WordPress plugin,
yeah? Yeah, exactly. So
nice.
here we see exactly data for this keyword and for this page. So it analyzes keyword optimization of this page for this keyword. So we see that this page, so it is well optimized. So because this keyword is in the title, in the URL, in the meta description, and H2 tags, even in anchor tags and H3 tags. Actually, if you like to improve it more, so you can optimize some of the paragraphs and add these keywords there, and your score will also improve. And to do optimization from here, we can jump to optimization screen.
Nice.
Here, this screen shows also all the pages, and we work on the optimization of particular page. So I hit optimize button.
Nice.
Yeah, here we have a list of the keywords related to this page. You can actually, it populates keywords from Google Search Console. You can generate keywords, long tail, say keywords you like to rank using AI tool, or you can manually add some keywords. So you say, I like to rank this page for this particular keyword, and I edit and optimize this page for this keyword. But usually we do optimization for 1-2 keywords max per page. Here we have access to the reporting system, and this is a screen to do actual optimization. So we have different tabs, and here we, for example, optimize our title tag. So I can or make changes manually, or I can click change
generation.
Yes, AI generation, and I will suggest a few variation for this.
Yeah.
You see, and it defines score for every version, so I choose which one I prefer.
Yeah.
Even you can a little bit edit it here.
Yeah.
Adapt to
the
your
thing about AI is AI understands marketing. It knows what kind of headlines to generate for the click-through rate, which is
actually. So we send to AI hold the page, and it sees hold the page and understand the content, and it provides very good suggestions. Same, we can modify meta description, schema. Here it shows all the images we have, and actually what alt of these images are. It's the same way using AI or manually we can apply these changes here. Same link anchors, so it shows all the links and anchor text of every links, which is also important. Link titles, hidden or content, so it defines content, so we can optimize our content also here. So you can do one by one, let's say, or you have auto optimize button. You just click this button, and it will optimize all the aspects of this page for exactly for this selected keyword.
Perfect.
Okay, basically it is, and at the top also it shows exactly what kind of problems we have on this page.
And so it can just fix it.
From here, there are some, of course, there are some issues, technical issues that software can't solve. For this, it just solve explanation and what you should do with this page, but this you will need to do manually.
Okay.
So we even pay attention on this kind of issues. And some notices, for example, this means this is issue can be auto solved. So you have just click auto solve button here, and this images without lazy loading will solve it automatically. So basically, it is how optimization of page looks and works. So we have all the recommendations here, all the information needed. So even you don't know anything about SEO on page design, etc. So we have really good explanation for everything.
Okay.
And on each screen, you at top you see this training video button. So you just click it and watch the video exactly related to this page, and you have everything with you all the time. As I talk about training, so we have we spent really huge effort to make good training. So we have 12 training videos. We have also really good guide PDF in PDF format. So for people that prefer read instead of watch, so they download the manual. Usually people have 2 screens now, so put manual on the second screen and follow up, and everything will be really easy. Now let me show you audit. So this is exactly a screen which is focused on the issues of our site. It shows categories for different categories of issues. When I click it, it will show me which exactly page has this kind of issue. This issue is solved in optimizing page. So if I click this button, it will redirect it to optimize page, and where we can SEOs thin content. So on the optimized page, you can add additional content to this page.
Okay.
What is really cool here? So we have different kind of solving issues. Some can be solved with AI, some can be solved automatically. So if I see this automatically, so I just go to page, select all, click solve selected. Bam, and all changes went to your site.
Nice. All right, guys, this is seriously good. So this is really, really good. So Alex, how much is this selling for right now? How much can
so we have 2 front-end options. So actually we have for beginners for 27, it is when you like to manage one site, or if you like to manage 5 sites. So we have this option is 37. And all this is on the one-time payment. So if compared to competitors, but Tony, I think we 1-2 weeks will stay with this price and move to monthly, because it is huge. And just imagine how huge service we have to keep all this data, and that everything works fast and provides in this really responsive. Also,
to be honest, I thought this would easily sell at more than $27 per month. If you're selling this for $27 one time, guys, that is an absolute bargain for a tool like this. You couldn't even pick up a tool that is less capable on what's the name, AppSumo. I've seen tools like this in AppSumo. They're not as good as this, and they're selling for much, much more. This is really seriously good tool, and for $27, wow, that's a bargain, absolute bargain. And plus, you get my bonuses as well, which are going to be good. Okay, Alex, let me just ask you a few questions. I've been taking notes while you've been talking now. And I'm just thinking about questions that people watching this might be asking. Okay, what if people don't have a WordPress site? Is this specifically only for WordPress? Is there any solution for them?
Actually, not. Let me show you. So we have two types. For WordPress, we have plugin, but for any other site, you just put this code to your page header site, and software will do similar way as it does with WordPress. Yeah,
that's even better. That's even better. So that's
so actually Shopify, anything actually.
Wow.
Even any 20 years old sites, it will work with.
Oh wow, nice. Okay, so for them to get up and started with this, we kind of mentioned there's a WordPress plugin, and you put in the API. Is there any other integrations needed for the setup? How long does it take people to set this up on a WordPress site, for example?
WordPress site, it's very easy. You just install SEO plugin, go to settings, connect it to our backend, providing API key we give you, and that's all. And it communicates. And here is also dashboard, so you can see actually what optimization it sent. For example, this page had no meta description, so software sent this meta description, and it applied. And you can even manage from WordPress, so you can deactivate some optimization or delete some optimization. For example, what it did here, it was found schema error and suggested new schema. So this is better for AI optimization.
Yeah.
So it provided good schema exactly for this post.
Nice. Okay. And once people have started to optimize the site, once you've gone through all the even if you just choose the automatic optimizations, how quickly do you think they can expect to start to see improvements on their rankings and stuff? Is the question.
Actually, from my experience, within 1 month you have to see changes. All depends how fast Google will reindex your pages.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And let's see what else we got here. Okay. Oh yeah, the AI. Which AI models is it using? I saw that there's some AI generation there. Do users have an option for which AI models to use, or is that built in the back end?
Actually, we use ChatGPT, but we tested different models, and we choose optimize, so we don't provide people ability to choose the model, because we think we selected the best one, and it will be easy to see proper results. Because if people will select own models or old models or so, just to make it little bit cheaper, and then will tell us why results not what we expected. So we decided selecting actually model to hide from users.
Okay. And it's easy anyway, guys. If you wanted to use another AI model, you could just generate the content in another model and paste it back into
yeah. So actually, everywhere as I showed before, everywhere you can or use optimization or just edit, and from your investigation with AI, you just get this data for header or so, just paste, and it will remember and send to your site.
Okay, one final question. You mentioned about the internal linking and stuff. Does the tool help to automate any part of that, or it's just suggestions, suggesting what links should go where? for the internal linking within a WordPress site?
Actually, software does not do internal linking at the moment, so this model is in the progress. But during the months, we have to finish it, because it was ready, but we found absolutely new, unique way how to do it better, and so we decided to hide this model and just release this later.
All right. Okay, guys. I've been making up a bonus stack here for this. One thing I need to ask first, Alex, is there's obviously upsells. This is a Warrior Plus offer, so there's obviously upsells. Can you talk a little bit about the upsells that you've got within the funnel in Warrior Plus? What can they expect to see after they have made a purchase of the front end offer?
Let me, if it's okay to show
Yes.
these upgrades pages.
Yeah. While Alex is doing that, let me tell you a little bit about bonuses. Now, I've just been watching this and thinking, what is the best bonuses I could put to make you get the very, very best out of what Alex has created here? And it's something really, really good that he has created here. No doubt about that. So what I want to do is I'm going to show you, and I'm going to do a live session. I'll teach you two things, okay? How to set up a Claude project for SEO optimized articles. Personally, I prefer to use Claude if you want to use the ChatGPT that is built in to generate content. And if you want to take that and put it inside Claude to write, I just find Claude writes more humanized content. I'm going to show you how to do that in the live session. And I'm also going to show you how we can find, well, Alex has already built in that you can go and find the keywords that you're not quite ranking for, or you may be on page 2 or lower down on page 1, etc. How we can optimize those pages for specific keywords and clusters of keywords, related keywords, etc., that you can bring into your articles using the Claude SEO project, okay, so that you can start ranking for those or ranking higher up for those as well, okay? So that's one live session that we will do, one live training session that we will do. And I will show you as well, in fact, I will give you my WordPress template, okay? I've got a WordPress template that I use, and if you've been part of any of my training workshops, you've probably already got this, but it's due a 2026 update, okay? So this has got plugins installed, but not just the plugins installed, the settings are done, okay? All you have to do is you just clone that from a base website like a template.xyz or template.com or something like that. You just clone it, and it's already optimized for the plugins, and there's got a whole bunch of SEO optimizations in there as well. And what I will do is I will put Alex's plugin into that site for me to test. Now I have to remove it afterwards because it's I'm not going to leave that within a template that we give out, but I'm going to make sure that that is optimized, and I'm going to use Alex's plugin to help me to optimize it. Then I will remove the plugin, but you will have a template that you can get, that you can install on any future WordPress sites that you do. Okay, so that's going to give you a really well optimized template for any new site that you want to do. You just deploy it into a new WordPress domain, and you're ready to go. Okay, nice and optimized, so that as you're adding content, then you can be using Alex's tool to make sure that you're maintaining the optimization in there. Okay, so that's 3 really good bonuses, 2 of them within one live session. Okay, and also you will get the WordPress template as well. Okay, so for $27 you're getting all of that, plus Alex's really awesome tool as well. So this is a really good bonus stack that I put together because I want this to work for you, and I want it to work for me as well. Okay, so Alex, okay, back over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, I forgot to show you when I shown audit. So we have ability to generate reports. So it generates 18-page report regarding. So first page, on the first page, it explains everything, how to read this data and what to do. Next, it shows executive summary for your site, overview of the issues, all the explanations.
Mm-hmm.
So, and how SEO Pilot users can use SEO Pilot not just for own websites. So actually, they can find local businesses and
Yeah.
do audit for their sites and
Yeah.
send to them this report which shows all the problems. That's why we have upgrade for SEO Pilot called agency. So what it includes? It includes leads finder. So you just put your keyword, for example, plumber, and
Right.
your location, and it will find you leads.
Oh, that's nice. Very cool.
Yeah. Actually, we have even the small CRM system, so you can find lead, add them to saved leads, and manage them directly from here. So it is, for example, new. You contacted, and you just change status, and you'll see. So it is the system
Follow-up.
to manage. You see every your prospect and the current status of this, how you communicate. Also, we provide for them in the trainings, we provide to them 10 clients playbook. So it is how to get started, how to build 5K per month to using your own agency. So we explain it everything here. We provide email templates, we provide call templates, everything, how to communicate, how to recommunicate, everything. All
So
this
you got a complete follow-up system there. That's very, very good. This is one of the upsells, to be clear, yeah?
So probably you don't see it. I open it in other tab. But believe me, it is really comprehensive and really helpful. And even we test one, we have already users that use this strategy, and even some suggested changes and telling me to put their own experience to this document.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
So this is, I think, it is really important update. Who like to start own business related to site optimization. So it provides this guide. It provides leads finder and leads management, and also it provides ability to have up to 10 own sub-users. In every of these sub-user can add own sites.
Nice. Okay. Very cool.
So
16.4 billion searches per day on Google, guys. 16.4. It's still by far the biggest search engine in the world. Okay. Yes, the AI models, the LLMs are they're getting more and more searches, but they're not coming close to Google. And Google has its own AI search with the AI mode and overviews and stuff like that as well. If people are saying that SEO is dead, it really isn't. It's actually growing. Google is getting more and more traffic. So do not discount SEO. There's a lot of people saying a lot of different things about search engine optimization. Yes, it can be volatile from time to time with different algorithm updates, but it usually settles down after a few days. And Google's just trying to get rid of people who are gaming the system, who are using thin content, etc. If you're focused on really good content that genuinely is helpful to people and answers the search intent, then you've got a fighting chance. You're in the game. Okay. So don't let anybody tell you that search engine optimization is no longer working. It is. Things are changing for sure, but this builds a solid foundation for you to be able to go ahead and create really good content that genuinely helps people and meets that search intent. Alex, I think we need to round up now because
Yeah.
we're soon
Okay.
beginning to
Yeah.
our length kind of session here. Thank you very much for your time. Thanks for coming on, and I'll put together that bonus deck and I'll let my audience know
Yes.
all about this, and they can come and watch this replay. Okay, thank you.
Yes, thank you, Tony, so much for your time and for your questions. Actually, I didn't finish because I didn't show AI toolkit, which is amazing, and reporting. But guys, get it, and you will be really impressed with all this.
I'll cover the AI toolkit, guys, when we do that live session for anybody who makes a purchase through my link. Okay, so you get that as I'll cover that in that live session as well. Okay, thank you, Alex, and I'll speak to you soon.
Tony.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Bye bye.